Hey, it's Mark again with GreenGro here at Monster Gardens, talking about our product, GreenGro Flower Finisher. This is a product that is an all-natural product. It's a blend of components to help finish the flower, harden off the flower, increase resin, increase terpene production, bouquet, and aroma. So this product, we're using a bloom base. We're micronizing it into a flower. We're adding trace minerals, rare metals. We're adding zeolite. We're using silicon dioxide, red sea algae, and some really good components that we think that finish the flower very strong and are very high quality in nature. So this is like, if you're looking for some top shelf finished flower, this is the product you'd want to use. You can also use it as a transition or PK boost in between using the veg and bloom products. So you just do it once during the week of transition, a nice heavy top dress, water it in, and you'll see very nice transitioning into the flower, the first few weeks of flower. This product can be used in compost teas. It's micronized fine enough that you can water it in if you'd like to. And it is one of those products that isn't gonna take very long to break down since it's so available. So we recommend using this the last 4 weeks of flower, once per week. You can go up to 2 times per week if you'd like. And it's just a product that we're really proud of, so we'd love for you guys to try it out. So the sizes it comes in is a 2 pound, 5 pound, 10 pound, and 35 pound bucket. So thanks for trying.